Hey, what's up, family? This is Scott again with another episode of Organic Cali. I just got done surfing, just hopped out of the water, and I am hungry. I just stopped by the store to pick up an avocado and some tomatillo salsa, because you know you can put those on anything. So I'm gonna start with those two ingredients and then just freestyle. All right, I'm gonna look through the fridge, see what I got, and we're just gonna do an intuitive, just make it up out of whatever I got recipe. That's what I'm trying to teach you guys with the show. If you buy fresh, organic ingredients, you're always gonna have something fresh to cook and healthy to eat. So let's get on it, guys. We haven't done this in a few episodes, so I'm gonna throw up a new quote. I love this one. You're only as old as you feel. That's so true. When I was 20 years old, training for the Navy for SEAL training, I was in good shape, but I couldn't even touch my toes. Now I just turned 33 and I feel better than when I was ever. And that has a lot to do with my nutrition intake, but a lot to do with mental and physical yoga as well. So you're only as old as you feel. That's the real deal. Ja feel. Let's throw it up on the mic. You're only as old as you feel. You're 25, 35, 45 right now, and you wanna jump back a decade. Just fix your nutrition game, your mental yoga game, your physical yoga game, and in 2 years, you'll feel 5 years younger. In 4 years, you'll feel 10 years younger, I promise. Get with the program, the results follow soon after, I promise. I'm living proof. 33 years old, come on now, yeah. You're only as old as you feel, and I don't feel old at all. Couple down, kitchen dogs. Ooh, tomato face. All right, I'm excited about this episode because I finally got my GoPro lens fixed, and so I'm gonna have two angles on the show. Chopping angle, cooking angle, it's gonna be cool. So I got everything out that I might use in this recipe. I just threw it all out on the table, and we're just gonna start freestyling. We're gonna use a bagel or pita bread. I think this pita bread is a little more fresh, so it'll last a day or two longer. So might as well use the bagel, which is only gonna be soft for maybe tonight. This is a spinach parmesan sesame seed bagel. I live in San Diego. There's this bagel place called BCB in Hillcrest, Big City Bagels, and day old bagels, 6 or 8 of them for $2.50. So check out your local bagel coffee hangout and see if they have this deal. And it's one of the best deals ever, because usually 6 or 8 bagels cost, you know, $6 or $8, something like that, you know? So we're gonna start by cutting this thing in half. Throw a little oil on it because it's a little dry. So the oil in the toaster oven, it'll moisten that right back up. Okay, so we had some technical difficulties. I forgot to turn on the microphone, so here we go. I'm gonna narrate it. Chop up some Anaheim peppers. I love Anaheim peppers. They're some of my favorite peppers in the world. So good, not that hot, really tasty. Chopping up some firm tofu. Firm tofu has the highest protein content out of any firmness of tofu, so get that stuff if you want protein. About to hit it with some coconut oil. You want to make sure you cook on a little lower temperature with coconut oil. Oh, put a little too much, so I'm gonna dab a little of that out. Throwing in the tofu and peppers in the pan. Saute on medium heat, get that going. Gonna throw some unrefined sea salt on. I just learned that unrefined sea salt has over 80 minerals that are good for your body that get refined out if you get the refined stuff. So get the unrefined stuff. Throwing some chili powder on. I like it spicy. You don't have to if you don't like it spicy. You can do lemon pepper or whatever. Throwing in some sweet potatoes already cooked. Everything is coming along nicely. Some quinoa already cooked as well. Saving time left and right. Look at that. Chopping up the avocado. Gonna make this sauce. So Gonna chop it up real fine. Chop, 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 chop suey, chop suey. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna throw a little cream cheese in there with that chopped fine avocado, some spices, some tomatillo salsa, just whatever spices. I think I put some more chili powder, maybe some garlic salt in there, mixing it up really good. I was gonna use the microwave, but I don't like using the microwave, so I mixed it really good. And eventually the cream cheese broke down. Okay, so I beat 2 eggs on the side, throwing those guys in. You could do 1 or 3. Sometimes I take a yolk out for less cholesterol, hit it with a little more salt, chopping up some fresh, organic kale. Always throw that in there. Hit it with a little olive oil this time because it's just more convenient. Okay, just stirring it up. You know, eggs, depending on how you like them, just take 60-90 seconds to cook. I like stirring them the whole time, just get them mixed in with everything. That's just my preference. Do it how you want it. A little close up here so you can see all the fresh organic ingredients. It's gonna give me so much energy, clean energy that I can use all day. Ooh, those tofu slices are looking nice with that chili powder crusted on top. Yum, 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 yum. Ooh, look at that tomatillo avocado cream cheese spread that I made. Oh, you guys don't even know how good that is. And it was so easy to make. I think I made it in like 30 seconds, you saw. And that's the Oscar's brand tomatillo salsa verde. Fire. Okay, I'm gonna throw the toaster oven on. The bagel will be toasty enough in 3 minutes, and I think everything is timing out to be ready in 3 minutes. So that's how timing works. Once you realize how long everything takes to cook separately, so at the end you try and get all your different tasks to match up at the same time, so everything is warm and ready to go. Everything when it's hot and fresh and crispy tastes the best, I promise. I couldn't resist. A little roasted tofu and the tomatillo, yeah. Everything on point. It tastes like it could use a little more salt, but my sauce has a lot of sodium in there, so I'm not gonna add any extra sodium to this. This sauce though, Flip the bag. All right, let's build this thing. The fun part. Okay, gonna start with that fire spread. Can't have a bagel without cream cheese, right? But avocado and tomatillo salsa, yes please. Slicing up that chili crusted, hand seared tofu. So good, made a pretty little triangle with that. So I'm just gonna throw the egg scrambled with all the goodness, all pretty like on the other half, get it ready for Instagram purposes. Look at that, oh, so pretty. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Spinach, Parmesan sesame seed bagel with a cream cheese tomatillo avocado spread, chili powder roasted tofu, a scramble of eggs, quinoa, sweet potatoes, Anaheim bell peppers, and oh, the perfect spices. Oh, the perfect spices. I'm stoked. Let's take a picture of this thing so I can eat it. Look at that thing. Beast. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Mission accomplished. If you were wondering about the shirt, Gal for it. It's awesome San Diego band, Brothers Gal. They're amazing. Type them in, Google Brothers Gal. If they ever come to a town near you, you have to check them out. They're transcending space, sound, time, all the time. Live music heals your soul. Just get in there, get on the dance floor, dance, get into the music. Just don't go to the bar and drink and get caught up in your head. Use it as a form of meditation. Meditation you can find in anything, and music and dance is one of the biggest meditations you can easily get your hands on. It's so fun. You can socialize with everybody. You can meet some ladies or some guys, whatever you're into, I don't know. But that's the lesson for today, guys. Go out and do your homework. Shake your groove thing on the dance floor. Know what I'm saying? Okay, keep it fresh, family, and I love you, and I'll see you next time. You! Bye.